Hello, Andy here from Nevada, speaking to you about this PC pump kit. This is our go-to effluent irrigation pump for New Zealand dairy farmers. It's shore mounted, so it's safe, it's self-priming versus other centrifugal effluent pumps. They are a great option for low power requirement, but very high output and high pressure available. So whether your irrigator's on your closest paddock to the pond or the furthest away paddock, it gives you excellent application rate and depth. The Helix Rotor is a hard chrome-plated 410 stainless rotor, so a lot longer life than others on the market, and the angles on the rotor are more gradual than others on the market. What this does is it allows more throughput of solids. They also come with an intelligent pump controller which detects pressure loss and blockages, and it also gives you the ability to have auto-shutoff on the irrigator. When the irrigator hits the end of its run, it sends a message back to the pump to turn itself off. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.